So hey, so guys, it's me Manshu from Unmight's YouTube channel, and in this video guys, I'm gonna give you a full review on Contabo VPS servers. Okay, I'm gonna purchase one and perform some speed test, and I'm gonna install a WordPress website on that also. So this is a full review on Contabo web hosting. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get straight into our PC. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification to the latest updates. And let's begin. So here we have guys Contabo.com. Contabo is a German-based company, German web hosting provider, and it provides everything related to web hosting like VPS servers, dedicated server, object storage, and the RDPs, वगैरह everything. It provides every single thing related to web hosting, and it's a German company since 2003. Okay, and about the online reviews, Contabo reviews are so good, like 4.2 rating out of 675 reviews. You can check on First Advice also, and I have previously made a video on Contabo also, like 1 year ago. I have made a Contabo review video also. You can check out that. It's on Hindi actually, my mother language. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase Contabo VPS and like every single detail, how you get the delivery, how you can log in into it, every single thing. Okay, so I like a thing about Contabo, it's everything is cloud platform. Okay, you don't have any human interaction, everything is cloud based, automatic. So over in the menu we have the VPS section, and these are cloud VPS, cloud VDS, and the storage servers. Okay, if you want large storage server, you can purchase that from here also. And then the dedicated server one, dedicated servers, dedicated outlet servers, then object storage, more like Windows RTP, Plex, cPanels, everything we can get over here. Now heading to cloud VPS section, as you can see, high performance cloud VPS ratio, and powered by Epic Gen 7282 processor and nvme SSD storage. So these are quite fast as for the specs. Okay, now you can see over here we have 4 plan. The cloud VPS S plan, which is start from $8.5, then cloud VPS M plan, which is $14, and cloud VPS L. You can purchase at your own requirement. I'm going to purchase this one, $8.5 USD, and these are 4 core CPUs, 8 GB RAM, 50 GB NVMe storage. So as per specification, these are like high power servers. Okay, VPS servers. Okay, if you want to purchase a VPS server, simply go to the cloud VPS section and purchase anything. We are going to simply select this one. Simply select this, the server that you want, then select the time frame, like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. I'm going to just select for 1 month because of the we are going to test this servers. Okay, so simply region, you can select the region, European Union, German, United States, Africa, Asia. So let's just simply by default go with the German because it's nearest to us. Okay, then storage type 200 GB SSD. As you can see, this is free, so I'm gonna move to the 50 GB NVMe storage. You can choose between these two. Okay, if you want a hard like normal SSD or NVMe SSD, simply I'm going to choose the 50 GB NVMe SSD. Okay, then for the image file, you can just select the Ubuntu servers, and if you want Windows RTP servers like Windows servers, you can select that from here. And if you want cPanel cost extra pricing also. So if you want like direct ready-made cPanel list, you can select this. Okay, now let's next go to the length section, then simply choose a password for that. And after creating the password, you can select the network, like if you want a private storage or private network or the public one, you can select between different like IP addresses, extra storage. Okay, now from add-on section, you can select like object storage. If you want extra storage like 1 TB of storage from $12, and backup, free backup server management, monitoring, SSL, you can select this everyone. Okay, no, we are not going to select anything else. Now just let's the server quantity. Next, simply due date, one-time setup fees of $8.49, and you can see our like final pricing is $16.98. so simply let's press the next button, and now I'm gonna fill up my details and email next, and let's just press next. Now in the payment section, you can see we have the credit card section, PayPal and others. Okay, you can select like PayPal for default checkout. We can select PayPal. Simply let's just select PayPal, and next we will check out that. Okay, simply let's just press order pay, and let's wait for the simply right now, and we are going to pay it. Okay, so after payment, you will get a email like something like this. As you can see, welcome to Contabo, and here we will get the VPS details and the order processing instructions. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to process your order, and you will get every single detail on the email also. Okay, now let's go to the Contabo login page. Simply log into our account, and over here you can see this is Contabo dashboard. You can manage everything here, Contabo VPS, BTS, IP management, everything. And about our server, you can manage the server over in the control panel also. You can restart it, delete it, reboot it, everything you can manage from control panel. Now I'm going to show you how you can log in into your server. Simply copy your IP address, username, dashboard. You will get it from email. Okay, simply copy everything from email and paste it on putty SSH tool and simply open that server panel. Okay, now you are using the VPS server as root, or you can simply use your username. Okay, simply paste it here and the password also, and you will get logged into Contabo VPS. As you can see, this is the Contabo dashboard, Contabo VPS server dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, the Contabo is really good for its pricing. Like you can get virtual private server from $8.5, dedicated everything you can get from like Contabo. And I like the thing about Contabo storage server. If you head to the Contabo VPS storage section, you will get SSD storage. Okay, SSD storage VPS from just $8.5 with 400 GB of SSD storage. Okay, now if you head back to the like 3.2 TB SSD storage, it's just for $40. So if you are planning to create a file uploading website or any such thing, you can use Contabo. This is good for you. Okay, the final statement about Contabo, this is really good, and as per pricing, this is really good. And global ability also, you can like use US storage server, US central server, US Germany based server, Asian Singapore based. These are like very fast servers and in so much cheap price, like 8.5 USDs you can get the like 40 GB storage. So these are like best server in the market, and you can purchase Contabo hosting from the link below in our channel. And hope you like this video and enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the link in the description also, and I will come back to you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, namaskar.